Hello. So for today, we're going to have, or I'm going to discuss three problems all about or involving power. So we have here example number one. Calculate the power needed by a winch that makes 6.6 times 10 raised to the power of 2 joules of work in 5 minutes. So ano nga ba yung formula ng power natin? We have here our formula for power. That is power is equal to the work done over our time. Take note na dapat naka-second ito, then our work is dapat naka-joules. So that is, so given natin, our work is 6.6 times 10 raised to the power of 2 joules, or that is equal to 660. So we're going to move to decimal, 1, 2, 2 2 to the right, so that is 660 joules. Then yung time natin is 5 minutes. Since dapat naka-second siya, we're going to multiply this by 60 seconds over 1 minute. So this is equal to 300 seconds. Okay? So may given na tayo. So we have here our, let's substitute our given sa formula. That will be power is equal to 660 joules over our time, that is 300 seconds. So this is 660. Okay, we have 660 divided by 300. That is 2.2. Okay, so we have here 2.2 joule per second, or that is, or we have 2.2 watts. So, say watts na lang. So that is 2.2 watts. So the watts is denoted by W. Okay? So, di ba? Sobrang dali lang. That is an easy problem. Okay. Then, if wala ng question sa number 1, proceed tayo sa number 2. We have here, solve the work done by a 500 watt electric mixer in 2.5 minutes. So, yung given natin, we have here our power. So, yung power natin, that is 500 watts. Then, yung time natin is 2.5 minutes. So, 2.5 minutes. So, we're going to convert this again sa seconds. So, that will be times 60 seconds over 1 minute. So, this is 2.5 times 60. So, 2.5 times 60, we have 150 seconds. Then our work, that is unknown. Okay? So we have here our formula. Again our formula is P is equal to work over time. So since we're going to solve for work, P pala. Bakit PE? Okay, P is equal to work over time. So since we're going to solve for our work, cross multiply lang natin ito. So our work will be power times our time. So that is the formula for our work done if ang may given tayo na power and our given time. Okay, so let's substitute this one. So we have 500 watts times our given time, that is 150 seconds. So this will be 500 times 150. So 500 times 150, we have, okay, that is 75,000 watt times seconds, or that is, since yung watt natin is naka joule per second, so makancel out na yung seconds, so matitira na lang is 75,000 joules. So yan yung work na kailangan ng electric mixer. Okay. Um, Yan lang sa number 2. Then let's proceed. 'Di ba? Ang dali lang. Let's proceed sa example number 3. So we have here example number 3. Calculate the time needed for a 2.5 kilowatt electric water that performs 7.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 joules of work. Okay, so we have here, identify muna natin yung given. So yung given natin is we have here our power that is 2.5, 2.5 kilowatts. Okay, so take note na yung given natin na power is 2.5 kilowatt. Then dapat watt lang yung naka-watts yung unit natin. So we're going to multiply this by 1,000 watts over 1 kilowatt, since 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. So this will be 2,500 watts. Makancel out na yung kilowatts. So, let's check kung tama ba? 1,000 times 2.5, that is 2,500 watts. Then, yung given natin na work, so yung work done, that is 7.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 joules. That is equal to 7. Okay, move tayo ng 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 7, 1, 2, 3, that is 75,000 joules. Okay, so balikan natin yung formula. That will be power is equal to work over time. So since time yung unknown or time yung hinahanap, so let's cross multiply this one. So to solve for our work, work is equal to P times T. Then paano yung time natin? So our time will be work over power. So we're going to divide our work done by our power. So we have here our time. That is, so substitute natin itong work, yung value ng work done natin. So we have 75,000 joules over yung power natin, that is 2,500 watts. So this is equal to, dapat nakasecond yung unit natin. We have here 75,000 divided by 2,500. So we have here 30 seconds. So it will take 30 seconds for the electric water to perform 7.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 joules of work if it has 2.5 kilowatt power. Okay, so that's it. So that's our three problems, 'di ba? Madali lang. So if you have question again, kindly comment na lang sa baba sa comment section. And if wala naman, thank you for watching this video. So I hope you learned something. Again, thank you and bye-bye. God bless.